Hello, this is Samuel Bacote with David Allen Capital Inc. or DAC. So here you go. If you look here at the screen, you're going to see my actual website that actually provides you with access to David Allen Capital. As an independent loan agent, I am able to get you in touch or connect you with lenders that specialize in providing small business loans to small businesses or loans to or capital to small businesses. Small businesses have been affected for a good while now with not being provided with loans from big banks. All right. So big banks basically have kind of left small business high and dry. So being that they're being left high and dry, that means they go out of business. Well, big bank is basically turning their backs on small businesses or even if they do give small businesses a chance, they take them through a very long process. This long process puts them further in the hole. It causes more and more stress on small businesses. Small businesses end up closing. All right. They either downsize, close, remove, lay off staff. They do whatever they can to stay in business because of the fact that they can't get the capital that they need to increase their revenue. So David Allen Capital provides businesses with simple and fast business capital. All right. This business capital is what helps them stay in business. So you're talking about you run into an independent loan agent as myself who provides you with a card, do a demonstration, provide you with our website as you see on the screen. And they receive this website and they have this one-on-one conversation with me over the phone or in person. And they have a need. Okay. They have a need and they can receive, that small business owner can receive up to $10,000 or from $10,000 up to $500,000, depending on their revenue, in 5 days. All right. So you can get approved. You can get pre-qualified and approved. All right. Within 24 hours, but you will be able to receive the actual funding in your business account within 5 days. That is awesome. Now, in certain cases, it may be longer, but you're still talking about way less than 6 months. All right. With big business, with big bank, it's 6 months or more. All right. So small businesses need loans now. They need capital now. They don't need capital in the next 6 months. So David Allen Capital are providing small businesses with that opportunity. All right. So I know I went into actually going over David Allen Capital, but now let me go over myself. So my name is Samuel Bacote. All right. I'm an independent loan agent. As an independent loan agent, I'm here to provide you with the access to these lenders through David Allen Capital. All right. So David Allen Capital provides you the business owner with access to multiple lenders. All right. Multiple lenders. As an independent loan agent for you, I'm here to help you with that. All right. I'm here to connect you with David Allen Capital so we can get you that loan that you need in the next 5 days. I am a 4-year veteran with the U.S. Navy. I'm a dad of 3 sons, and I've been in customer service for over 10 years. I've worked in different industries. So when I decided to leave a building to provide income for myself, or let's say full time, I ran across David Allen Capital probably over a month ago. And I saw that I will be able to help small businesses. I look in my neighborhood and I see businesses are shutting down. And it's only one reason. They're either not receiving customers, they're not receiving marketing, they may need more technology, whatever it is. They may need more staff. Because some businesses need more staff and they can't afford it. So some people are being overworked. All right. Or they're getting the staff is being paid pennies. All right. So small businesses need these business loans. All right. You need these business loans. You need these lenders to help you. And the lenders want to help you. So let's go through this. All right. You know a little bit about David Allen Capital, and you know a little bit about me. So let's go over how to get qualified. Do you qualify? All right. So your business needs to be in business for a minimum of 4 months. All right. A minimum of 4 months. David Allen Capital do provide loans for small businesses in all 50 states. Okay. In all 50 states, you need to have a personal credit score of 500 or a FICO score of 500 plus, and you need to at least have an annual revenue of $100,000. Now, we service over 700 different industries, right, of small businesses. Okay, so that's a lot of different industries, from mechanics, beauticians, barbers, grocery stores, those mom and pop stores, cleaners. The list goes on. Over 700 different ones. All right. So if you're a small business and you need capital, David Allen Capital is the one for you to help you get there. So the process is real simple. It's affordable. All right. These loans are affordable. The application process is fast. It doesn't take days. It only takes up to 24 hours, and it only takes up to 5 days for funding. It's an automatic payment, so that means you have an automatic draft, and these loans do extend up to 24 months. So let's just get a little quick comparison between lenders, David Allen Capital, all right, and most banks and credit card advances. So with David Allen Capital, you're talking about fast funding, 5 days, all right? You're talking about transparent rates and fees. You're talking about a minimal amount of paperwork, which you already know. That's not going to happen with Big Bank. You can build business credit. You can do that with Big Bank, all right? Big Bank can help you build your business credit, but we can do it too, all right? We value cash flow, not credit score, all right? We only asking for a minimum of 500, okay? So we're not concerned about your credit score like some businesses are, or some banks are, or lenders are, who are very concerned about your credit score, and it depends on how much you get and how much you receive. No, it depends on how much your cash flow is with us. All right, you making 100K a year, you can get 100K. You can get approved up to 100K. Now you can't get approved over 100K, but you can get approved up to 100K because that's what your business's annual revenue is. All right, so now you can also, once you've already received one loan, you're going to repeat getting that customer benefit. We're not going to just drop you off and leave you. We're going to see how you have maintained those payments, paying back that loan. You pay those payments back, you're going to get an opportunity to increase your next loan, all right, because your revenue 9 times out of 10 has increased. So now you can increase your loan. Now, you're also going to receive the best customer service ever, starting with me, because I have over 10 years of customer service, been in different industries. So I know how to treat you right, and I'm going to be here with you, all right? I'm not going to have you just go to my website or go to this website and I'm going to leave you there. No, I want to get you to the website, and I also want to get your application started, all right? So we can go ahead and get this process started with you receiving a loan. David Allen Capital is simple and transparent. We will present you with the funding amount and the total cost of those funds. So here you go. Big Bank don't always disclose the total cost up front. They explain, they want to let you know the interest rate, because that's what Big Bank deals with, interest rates. We don't deal with interest rates, all right? We deal with cash flow. So let's say you get a cash advance from us of $50,000. Well, you're going to pay back $65,000 over 12 months. See? So the rate is not what's important. What's important is how much you're paying back. That's what's more important. Okay? And it's a breakdown here. There's pennies on the dollar, a minimum of 20 to 32%, depending on what is that amount you're paying back. So if you get a funding of $10,000, you may pay back up to $12,000 or $13,000, or in between $12,000 and $13,000. So here you go. You We have terms of 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months, and 24 months. So the longer that actual term is, the pennies on the dollar. Okay, the pennies on the dollar. So it all really depends on where your term is that you've agreed for or what you've been approved for, and the penny amount. All right. So when it comes down to actual rates, these are your actual rates. All right, deducted from your advanced funds. So it can be from 0 to 2.5, depending on most clients, or it can be you can be up to 2.5 to 5%. Either way, you're going to get that cash, and you're going to know how much that loan you're going to receive. So once again, you need to be in business for at least 4 months to a year. You need to at least have a minimum of $100,000 annual sales, and you need to have that actual 500 plus personal credit score, and you need to have at least 4 deposits per month. So let me go over a little bit more. So here's some things. Here's some opportunities that you can help out with. You can help with your own business. All right. Your business needs opportunities to increase themselves. You may need a whole new cash register system. You may need more staff. You may need to expand. You may need more furniture. You may need more equipment. Well, here you go. This is the funding that you need. So look here. Expansion opportunity. You can net an additional 48K this year by expanding your business with 50K. That's a 12-month loan from David Allen Capital. After paying off $12,500, the cost of the loan, you gain a profit of $35,500. All right. So the discount opportunity, you have an opportunity to save $10,000 on the purchase of inventory if you buy $25,000 worth. David Allen Capital loan payback over 6 months gets you that $25K as fast as the next day, netting you a savings of $5,750. So by getting that loan, by receiving that loan, you're saving money and you're gaining in revenue. So the pre-qualification starts with me. I will go through that process with you, and then we're going to complete that. Once we get past the pre-qualification stage and you get approved for pre-qualification, we're good to go. Now we're going to complete that application. Now this application will be submitted with needed documents, which are 3 months of bank statements, a copy of your last filed tax return, canceled check, and a copy of your driver's license. Once this is all approved and you're good to go, underwriters are going to go ahead and supply you with the funding that you need. That can be wired into your bank account or automatically deposit, excuse me. So these are some of the questions you'll go through with me. We'll just go through these questions real quick. How much money do you want? How much annual sales? How long you've been in business? How many merchant process deposits are in your account? And do you have any bounce checks? All right. See, look here. This is that credit. This is how credit is looked. All right. We're looking at bounce checks. All right. Are you able to pay people back? Are you able to pay what you said you was going to be able to pay? Because if you are having bounce checks in the last 90 days, that's not a good sign for us, because you may not pay us back. But we're not going to worry about that, because you're not going to have that issue. And if you do, we're going to work with you either way. And we're going to look at it. How many do you have in the last 90 days? All right. So here's your basic information. Go ahead and put up your company name, information like that, and make sure you have my name and my agent name. So once we upload this information, we're going to start to add this. We're going to submit it, and then we're going to go through submitting documents with it. That gives our underwriter a chance at David Allen Capital to review all the documents. Go ahead and reach out to some lenders, see if they are willing to approve you. If they're willing to approve you, we're going to reach back out to you, either myself or David Allen Capital customer service, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can go ahead and get you that loan as soon as possible. So this is the process with David Allen Capital to get the money that you need within the next 5 business days. So I wanted to make sure I created this video so that it will help everybody to understand that you can get funding as a small business loan, and I'm here to help you, Samuel Bacote with David Allen Capital. Thank you for watching my video, and you have a wonderful day.